carb cleaner, mass airflow sensor cleaner. They're the same thing, right? Ha ha ha, not so fast, smart guy. Today we are in the Grassroots Motorsports garages. We're gonna learn a little bit about the difference between these two common cleaning chemicals. All right, so a surprisingly common question that we get, despite the fact that we are mere journalists, is why is there carb cleaner and why is there mass airflow sensor cleaner? Aren't they basically the same thing? Well, they kind of have the same purpose. They are both designed to sort of clean petroleum byproducts out of the fuel and intake system of your car. They kind of go about things in different ways and they're kind of used for different purposes. A lot of modern cars use a lot of non-metallic components in the fuel and air system under your hood. Plastic intake manifolds, a lot of ABS plastic, thermoset plastics, a lot of nylon and Delrin and all kinds of non-metallic materials making up the air and fuel systems under your hood. That is not the purpose of carb cleaner. Carb cleaner is formulated just for metallic surfaces. Steel, brass, aluminum, all of those metallic surfaces that make up old school fuel systems. The average carburetor is, you know, a combination of zinc coated steel and brass and bronze. All of that stuff is what this chemical excels at. This stuff is plastic safe. You can use this on modern intake systems without fear of it melting any of your plastic or soft bits. So you're saying, well, wait a minute, isn't the whole thing here is I'm attacking petroleum products that have solidified, that have varnished, that have changed chemical composition, trying to get those cleaned off of whatever I'm trying to get them cleaned off of. Isn't plastic essentially a petroleum byproduct, just refined in a different way? Well, you're kind of right, but the way that plastic is bonded together is different than the way the things you are cleaning are bonded together. And what these chemicals do is they attack, rather than the materials, they attack the bonds. So that is why they are specifically formulated for cleaning things that are related to the things you are cleaning them off of. And they are safe for those things you are cleaning them off of. Now, in the way of demonstrating this, we've got this fun little demo that we do. Got a couple of polystyrene cups here. Obviously, these are not the strongest bonds of plastic in the world, but you'll see very quickly how these chemicals differ. If we take a little bit of carb cleaner, so there we go. We've got some liquefied carb cleaner over here in my left hand. We've got liquefied mass airflow cleaner over here in my right hand, and we will keep an eye on the bottoms of these cups and see what happens. So if you were sitting where I was sitting, you would be able to see the bottom of the cup that has the carb cleaner in it starting to swell and soften a little bit, while the bottom of the cup that has the mass airflow sensor cleaner is still basically unaffected. And any second now, we should see a little bit of science magic happen in my left hand. Science in action, ladies and gentlemen. I love this demonstration. I love just standing here and watching things melt in my hands. So the bottom of our polystyrene cup is now basically fully melted away. Party is officially over on this one, and that pretty much tells you why you don't want to use this stuff in your engine bay that has a lot of plastic in it. But if you are trying to get petroleum products, grease, oil, grime that is collected in your carburetor, pretty good choice over here with the carb cleaner. Anything else, anything modern, this mass airflow cleaner still going just fine inside this polystyrene cup. Polystyrene, not the strongest plastic bonds in the world, but still holding up fine to the mass airflow sensor cleaner. So anything modern, anything with a plastic intake manifold, plastic in your airflow sensor, plastic anywhere in that intake tract, this is your choice.
Support brands that support Grassroots Motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.